Let's dive into the fascinating reign of Emperor Hadrian, a leader who reshaped the Roman Empire in ways that still inspire awe today. Born in AD 76 and ruling from 117 to 138, Hadrian took a very different path compared to his predecessors. While others focused on expansion, Hadrian chose consolidation, prioritizing stability and cultural unity over constant conquest. When Hadrian became emperor, the Roman Empire was stretched thin. His adoptive father, Trajan, had expanded the borders to their greatest extent, but Hadrian realized that maintaining such far-reaching territories was a logistical nightmare. So, he made a bold decision. He pulled back from some of Trajan's conquests in the east, like Mesopotamia and Armenia, to secure more defensible borders. This was practical, but not without controversy. It went against the traditional Roman ideals of relentless expansion. Hadrian is perhaps best known for his incredible architectural achievements. Take Hadrian's Wall in Britain, for example. This 73-mile-long fortification wasn't just a defensive barrier. It symbolized the empire's limits and served as a practical tool for administration and security. Then there's the Pantheon in Rome. Rebuilt under Hadrian's watch, its iconic dome remains an engineering marvel to this day. And let's not forget the Villa Adriana, his luxurious retreat in Tivoli, reflecting his eclectic tastes and love for diverse cultures. Hadrian wasn't just an armchair ruler. He was hands-on. He spent much of his reign traveling across the empire, visiting provinces, addressing local issues, and strengthening defenses. His approach was proactive and personal, a leadership style that won him admiration from many corners of the empire. However, not everything went smoothly. One of the darkest chapters of his reign was the Bar Kokhba revolt in Judea, sparked by policies like banning circumcision and establishing a Roman colony on Jerusalem's ruins. The conflict was brutal, resulting in enormous loss of life and leaving a bitter legacy in the region. Hadrian's personality added even more layers to his reign. He was deeply intellectual and had a passion for Greek culture, earning him the nickname Greculus, Little Greek. But he could also be temperamental and autocratic, often clashing with the Senate as he centralized power in the imperial court. This mix of brilliance and abrasiveness made him a complex and sometimes divisive figure. Despite the controversies, Hadrian's reign left an enduring legacy. His focus on strengthening and unifying the empire helped preserve its resources and stability for years to come. His architectural projects continue to captivate us, showcasing a blend of practicality and artistic ambition that defined the best of Roman ingenuity. In many ways, Hadrian redefined what it meant to lead. He wasn't perfect, but his combination of vision, intellect, and administrative skill set a standard that few emperors could match. Today, his reign is remembered as a transformative era in Roman history, one that still resonates in the monuments and ideas he left behind.